Hey YouTube, I thought to start the video with my FJ crawling over a small rock. Cool, isn't it? Hmm. Well, I thought to share a small mod which I have done to my FJ. Since FJ TRD is no more available to purchase, I thought to convert my FJ to a TRD. Basically, the TRD came with Bilstein shocks, black roof, and I am almost halfway there. So it's a work in progress. Now, actually, back to my FJ. Nah, that's just a toy. Many of our FJ owners own a toy just like their real life version of FJ. Now let's get back to the real FJ. It's a black diamond color with white roof and beefy tires. I'm planning to place the grill right there on the front next to the Toyota badge. If you watch closely, it's a very clean FJ in a good condition. So I love the FJ and looks actually great as well. So, oh no, some giant took my FJ and ran away. Let me chase him down and get my FJ back. Pretty sure he haven't gone that far. I know a place where he always stores it. So let me check it there. Ah, it's right there. Okay, cool. So we got our FJ back. Thank God. Hey, I'm just kidding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly doing so. I share some thoughts about some about cars, about crypto, and things which I actually came across. I think it will be useful to you as well. So here is my FJ. It's I, I actually shared many videos about this. When I got it, it was in a very bad condition. So I just did many mods. I just cleaned all the rust, and right now it actually looks great and drive great. It's my toy. It's basically just my toy. Wherever I go, if I just go alone, I take this vehicle, and I love it. It's a funky looking vehicle, but yeah, that's what the FJ is for, right? And I know it's a very capable vehicle, so I trust that. And yeah, let's get back to the mod which I have done. So since it's a work in progress towards a TRD, I just thought to actually buy a TRD logo from Amazon. I'm going to put the link right there. It came in a well packaged. It was good. It was well packaged, and that's the number of that particular one. I went with orange, red, and yellow. That's a real TRD colors. I have seen people using many other colors, but this is the real TRD colors. They haven't put any TRD badge there because it will it's a lawsuit against them, right? So they don't want to do that. So it's just the colors. So I thought, okay, why not? It actually came in a good package, and it looks like a very robust product as well. And it is something very easy to install. You don't need any tools or anything of that sort. It's pretty easy, and actually you'll be able to get it done within 2-3 minutes. It came with all the washers and the screws and everything. So here I'm actually opening it up. Um, as I mentioned earlier, it wasn't a cheap quality stuff. It was a good quality. Even the plastic was really strong. They protected it very well. So I'm taking it out, and I really love the look of it. It looks glazy and looks nice. Pretty cool. And make sure if you are trying to do anything to the TRD, that's the colors you should be actually going to buy. Not any blue or anything. I have seen actually people using blue and black and white and all those things. No, that's not the one. So these are the washers and actually the items which actually came with that package. It's more than enough stuff in there. So, and it's very easy, as I mentioned. I will show you exactly how I did it. So you can actually get it done within 2-3 minutes. Pretty much it. That's all it's gonna take. So first you actually place it right there and make sure it is stick to that grill. Okay. So this is how you actually do that, and always place that nuts right in a proper way, in a correct spacing, because the washer which you have seen is going to come over it. So I'm just trying to place it just to see how it looks like. It looks great. So I just am going to place it. You can see those nuts there, right? And that's where the washer is going to sit on. So you adjust that nut just to the spacing of that grill. Okay, so it won't be wobbly. If you think that it is wobbly, just increase the spacing on that nuts and then put the washers and you will be actually good to go. And always make sure that it is not wobbly. That means if it is loose, that only thing which you need to do is just tighten that nut. Once you put that, you need to fasten that to the uh, grill, right? And this is how you do it. You put the washer and some couple of nuts and you are actually basically good to go. I found it very hard to squeeze my hand through that grill. It is, you don't have that much space in there. My hands are big, so if you are someone with smaller hands, then yeah, you should be good to go. And you don't need to actually you don't need any special tool to tighten it or anything. Just hand tight is fine. It's just a plastic thing and you are actually mounting on a plastic grill, so don't want anything to tighten it up and break it. So hand tight is fine. Just check once in a while, just after 5 or 6 months, just to make sure it is still strong. And you can do a wobble check too. I will actually show you how to do that. It's just nothing. Just kidding. It is easy. Just pull it off and see if it is sticking properly to the grill. That's pretty much it. And here is my FJ. And I have seen many FJ owners owning a toy just like their own FJ. I have 2, 3. So this is one of it. And here I am actually placed it, and I need to do some wiring management there for that Raptor grill. It looks great. It looks nice. So that's where I'm going to actually place. If it is not just one, not for FJ, any vehicle with any Toyota vehicle with the grill, I have a 4Runner 2 as you have seen. It also got a grill. So see here, I'm actually doing a small wobble check. If it is tight enough, you're good to go. There is nothing much there. There you go. So FJ is a very old vehicle. It is actually has a lineage of many years back. So having a TRD badge there is fine. Now go out and enjoy your FJ. Just, have some fun. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.